everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays episode 246. And I'm going to do a really quick video today, show you the stuff that's going on in December. We had some new things start today, December the 3rd. In my online store, so I want to share those with you. And then Friday for my Di's shorts, I will show you the stuff for real because I put an order in. So you want to make sure to check out these things that I'm showing you. We used to have the clearance rack, and now it's all like looped into the last chance products. So you just have like one place to look for those, so it makes it a lot easier than looking all over the website. But if you ever have any questions, just holler at me. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm in the chat. Usually I am. There's sometimes, if I have a doctor's appointment or whatever, something's going on, I'm not there, but most often than not, I'm in the chat during the live premiere. So that's where I'll be. So if you have any questions, head on over there so you can talk to me and my friends. And if you are watching the replay, just leave a comment down below. YouTube will let me know and I can reach out to you. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing so we can get started. And so close your eyes just for a second while I get my camera adjusted. Hey, so before we get started, I want to remind you to hop on over to my blog over here and print out your country dozen rewards chart. And this way you can keep track of the orders that you place in my store. So for every $50 that you order in my store before tax and shipping, you earn a sunflower. So you just simply write the order number and the date. You can write the total there or whatever you want, and then you earn a sunflower, and it explains how it works and everything. Once you get a dozen sunflowers, then you can either send me your filled out chart. A lot of times people just scan it and email it to me and fill this out, and then you pick a $40 item of your choice. So make sure you grab this. Now, I do send it to you when I send you a quick email when you place an order with me. I send you a really quick email, and I do include that in the email so you can get it there as well. But don't forget to do that. And then, so let me go over a few things, and then I'm going to show you the cute little mini masterpiece you can also earn in the month of December. So here is the host code for December if you want to use that when placing an order. I'm not sure when we're not going to have host codes anymore. So I did change my incentive a couple months ago. All right, registration is open for my virtual spring social, so make sure you register for that. Early registration, you can save some money, so the earlier register, the better, and you can get more information as well on my blog over there, or if you get my emails, you can get them there as well. I still have a couple spots left for my Darling Dinos bundle, which is the January class and the mail kit. And speaking of which, I still have, I think, just two. I only have two left for the December class, which is the Nature's Paintings kit bundle, and that's as of today, so that changes all the time. So like I said, I just have a couple of those left, but two of those ones left, but I have a few of these. So I do not think, because I have originally the sign up date was December the 23rd. I don't think we're going to make it to then before I sell out. And what I mean by sell out, it just means that I don't want to take too many registrations that I can't handle, get everything out, because it's just me, myself, and I that does my catalog prep. Jeff does help me sometimes with the Big Shot, but most often it's just me. So I usually just kind of limit my classes and events just to keep it under my control. So that's what I mean. All right, so make sure, again, you can check that out on my blog. And that is USA only. So my classes my events are USA only. So if you do email me and say, oh, I want to take that class, always let me know that you're in the USA. Otherwise, if you're new to me, I send you an email and I say, are you in the US? Because I don't want to send you the PayPal link because I can only do USA. All right, so starting today, December the 3rd, this is that you'll see the last chance product. So if you do go to my blog and click on this, you'll be able to open my store and see those. I also have them all listed on my blog so that you can simply pick what you want and shop right from there. And we also have, these are past designer series papers. There's 3 of them that Stampin' Up! Has recolored them and changed them into some of our newer colors. And these are while supplies last, just like the last chance products. So these are the previous colors. So it shows these previous ones, and these are the new updated ones. So look how bright and pretty those are. Now remember, Friday, I will show you these for real. And then this was the previous colors here. It was like a black and white. I should have wrote the names of them. I apologize. And then these are the updated ones. And I had mentioned on my blog that in my my pillow gifts and stuff like that I got for my million, this paper was used, and I thought, oh, these are different colors. And I remembered when it was black and white, and now I know why. And then these are really fun too. These remind me of paint swatches. So I do have all of those coming. So I will show you Friday. All right. So I talked about this at the beginning of the video. And so for every 50, you get a sunflower. And that's before tax and shipping. But I also offer a little incentive, and those are the mini masterpieces. And so the one that you earned in November was this one here. So I will be getting those made and sent off with you. And then you get these in the following month. So you'll get them in December with your thank you card, your little mini masterpiece. And so I've been having so much fun with some older stamps making these. And so this will be your December one. Look at little Bessie the cow with her little daisies on there. So this is the one for December. So when you order 75 in the month before tax and shipping, you will earn not only the little sunflower, but you would earn the little mini masterpiece. So remember, that's before tax and shipping. So I know I have like a lot to blabber about. I always blabber a lot right at the beginning of the month, so you don't have to listen to me anymore. But the country dozen rewards that are sunflowers, that is $50 in a single order before tax and shipping to earn that sunflower. What's different about the mini masterpiece is it's just $75 before tax and shipping in the month. So that just means you might place an order, of 50, at the beginning of the month, and you see something else towards, the middle of the month or something, and you place, a $35 order before tax and shipping. Now you've earned 75, because I do those orders together. And then I would send you your cute little Bessie the cow with your thank you card. And then it will be the first part of January, because I always wait till after the first of the month. But isn't she adorable? Oh my gosh. So I'm having so much fun pulling out some of my older stamp sets. And I love to go to Goodwill. I don't know. I mean, you can give or take Goodwill, but I always go to the craft section to see what stamps they have. And this is the stamp set. I found this. I almost peed my pants. So this is a stamp set that started it all for me. This is the image that was stamped on the bottom of a postcard that my upline sent to me, telling me that, she started something new with her crafting. And I was like, where did those bunnies come from? So this is the stamp set. So I found this at Goodwill. It's called Best Borders. So, and it was all in there. Now it was in a bag with a whole bunch of other stuff. So I just kept out what I wanted. So you may see these stamped on something, but I just love them. And look at it. It says 1996 because I joined in 1999. So that is an old one. But anyways, and that's the same with the little mini masterpiece for November that you earned. This is also a set that I found at Goodwill as well. So anyway, but this is just one that I kept in my stash because I just, I just loved this little stamp set. All right, so I'm going to say, well, see you later, alligator. My phone is ringing. Jeff and I had our physicals, our yearly physicals yesterday, so, we're getting all, blood work answers and everything, and all the mammograms and all the other areas to be checked. So anyway, so the phone was just ringing. But so they always say my bilirubin is high, and I think that is just they always say that. Like, I mean, years ago. So I'm just always like, I'm not sure what that's about. But anyways, and they're supposed to be calling me back. Oh, so maybe that's what that phone call was. If I have to keep taking my cholesterol, because they had me take a cholesterol pill, and my cholesterol's not high anymore, so I'm like, I don't think I should have to take that pill anymore. I don't like to take medicine. All right, so I'm going to stop blabbing because I've got totally off topic. All right, so I think that's all I wanted to share with you, but like I said, I'll be back Friday, 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel, with my dies shorts. And then I will be able to show you, because I forgot to show you the new kit. So make sure you go to my blog because you can see them. I don't have the new kits. I'll show them Friday. But there's a perpetual calendar, and there's some really cute little cherry blossom boxes. And then the 3 DSPs and the last chance products. So I apologize. I forgot to print out the 2 kits that started as well. All right, so now for sure I gotta let you go, and I will see you Friday. So if you have any questions, make sure you holler at me. All right, I'll see you Friday, 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel. Have a good week, and I'll see you later. All right, bye for now.